Salento Colombia, an amazing destination for tourists and backpackers. A small village with a lot to see. Welcome to a new video. My name is Oliver, and in today's vlog, I'll take you to Salento in Colombia. Here we will visit the famous coffee farm El Ocaso, and we are hiking our way up to the beautiful Valley of Cocora, where we came to a shocking and scary realization. I will show you exactly what Salento looks like, how amazing the coffee tour was, and why you must visit the Cocora Valley. Well, without further ado, shall we start the vlog? Vámonos! We booked the tickets to Salento. All our stuff is there, and we claimed our seats. So we have 4 seats right now, occupied
for 2 years.
For 2 years, for a 1 hour drive. You come into the terminal and you have to look for this little spot right here. They sell the tickets here at Salida Uno. Then you go into a bus like that. We have arrived, and we're gonna feel this in our ankles tomorrow. Right, Bo?
Yeah, I'm afraid so.
The hike starts. This is the bus station of Salento. Here we go, 10 minutes. Power is off. Apparently, this little city of Salento has power problems. We're in a restaurant and the music was on, it was a nice vibe. And then the power went off.
With the candle.
Yes, how nice. Oh my god, look at the queue for the Jeep. It's 9:30, too late. We're almost there, half an hour later. We are going to do a coffee tour at a coffee farm. They're going to show us around. It's a whole tour for 1.5 hours, including a tasting. It is 15 minutes from Salento with the Jeep that you book, and it's just 12K for 2 people, ida vuelta, so also the way back. This tour is going to be different from the one in Finca that I did, because this one is a real tour over the whole fields as well with the trees. It's supposed to be impressive. In Salento, you have these Jeeps taking you everywhere. They drop you off and pick you up again. The tour has started and we all got a little basket to put in the picked beans. Our guide, a very energetic Colombian girl, was explaining to us that they almost do every part of the process here on this coffee farm. So we planted a few of the beans that we picked and also tried them.
No, don't bite it.
Ah,
Maybe there is one.
don't bite it.
You
We tried the...
I got 2.
That was actually delicious. You're not supposed to chew on them, but just kind of suck on it to taste the flavor. And so we are continuing the tour, learning more about coffee. We're at the half of our tour now. It started to rain. It's kind of humid here and hot, but I'm wearing this jacket just because I've been eaten by mosquitoes. I think it's really interesting. The place is beautiful, surrounded by mountains, and it's only 100K per person for the whole tour, 3-hour tour, including a tasting and stuff like that. So it's definitely worth it. In this room, we are going to taste different types of coffee and are doing a smell exercise to categorize different aromas into tasting profiles. Describe it.
Heel moeilijk.
Look at the screen, look at the number.
Nee, je moet eerst zelf bedenken en daarna kun je checken of je het goed hebt door het nummer te kijken.
It's very interesting actually to see how your senses work like that. They made the different types of coffee for us and we got to try all of them. Some more delicious than others, of course. Because some really tasted like ash and cigarettes and others tasted like cherries and chocolate. This tour takes around 3 hours and we're learning so much. It is 100% worth it.
So the coffee tour is done. It was very interesting. We learned about all different beans and plants, and we were able to pick our own coffee beans as well. And
4 different types of coffee with all like 1 type of coffee from each process. Like they have a honey process and a natural process and a washing process. And my personal favorite was the which one was it?
Natural.
Natural process. because it had more flavors. Like
Traditional, that was it.
we had the it tasted like cherry and chocolate. It was really, really nice. It was like a chocolate cake, honestly. So I wanted to try that in a cappuccino version, but they closed the restaurant, unfortunately. But it was really well done. Gabi was a great tour guide. We did a lot of things in these 3 hours, and we learned so much about coffee. So we recommend it. We're heading back to the town of Salento to have dinner. We arrived somewhere around sunset, which lit up the sky beautifully. And on the way, I spotted an amazingly cute dog, and I had to pet him. What are you gonna eat?
Chicken wings.
They gave you this. It's pretty useful, I think. Right? Your hands don't get dirty. There it comes. It's not really Colombian, but I already had a bandeja paisa today, so it's okay. I don't really like them. Good morning, good morning. We are on our way to do something fun today. We have arrived in Cocora Park after 30 minutes on the Jeep, and she was standing at the back of the Jeep so she could enjoy all the views of the park and the valleys and stuff, and I was literally crumbled up inside the Jeep in between people, but whatever. We have arrived and we are walking now. You cannot see the palm trees now. The air is fresh. It's just a great place to be. So we're gonna hike for a couple of more hours, probably. Hill up, hill down. All right, well, we cannot really cross here to go to the other side, but there's another path there, so let's see if we can cross the river through this little path here. Oh, there's a bridge, I see it. It is still early in the morning, so the temperature is perfect to hike through the jungle. We were just following some small paths and we didn't know where we were going. Our phones have no signal whatsoever, so we have no idea where we are because Google Maps is literally changing our location every 10 seconds. 10 grams of protein. Cookie break. We're at the river. We gone straight from the original path walk because we hiked all the way up and it was private property, so they sent us back down. And then we saw this little path in between the bushes and we're like, okay, let's just do that, explore. And now we ended up at this beautiful river. The water is very cold. We hiked up so many hills and haven't seen a single person for almost an hour. We still have no idea where we're going, but all we know is that this place is beautiful. We just saw a sign with different animals that are here in this mountain forest. And one of the animals is a panther, a leopard. I don't know exactly the name of the animal, but it's some kind of wild cat, right? We both didn't really, well, I knew that we were gonna be here because they also have it in Tayrona Park, a sign and stuff, and that they have panthers. But for some reason, I didn't really think about it this time. I remember seeing a video on TikTok of a biker being chased by one, but he had his bike to protect himself with, right? We don't have anything. We're literally food for that guy. I'm a bit more scared now, but whatever. If it is our time to go, then it's our time to go, right, Bo? Yeah. We continue. You don't see anything because look at that. We are above the clouds. That's how high we are. Holy crap. What a hike. We finally saw some other people and they told us that it's around 30-minute walk down, so we were very happy to hear that. We were almost arriving at the Cocora Valley where we were gonna see the tallest palm trees in the world, but we were also getting a little bit hungry, to be honest. We were so high up above the clouds, but then we literally came out of there. We're finally seeing some views here. But we're still not down and we're very high up, so let's see how long it's gonna take us to get down. Here's the mirador. We have to pay 10,000 each to enter this part after we've been hiking for 2 hours. Let's see what the mirador is about. At least there are some other tourists. This place is magical. Palm trees are my favorite trees, and these are so unique because they look different and they are the highest in the world. It's amazing to see them now in real life. It was a great hike with even better views over the Cocora Valley. It was so nice. This trip is amazing. Salento is definitely worth visiting, so write it on your list. Thank you so much for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe to my channel if you're interested in traveling. I would appreciate that a lot. Thanks again. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.